This tutorial I'm going to show you how to create the outline drop shadow in Canva. So let's jump right into this video. Make sure you subscribe for more Canva tutorials. So what you have to do first, we're going to go to add a text, where you can click on T to add text. It's just a shortcut T, and we can add a text. So here I'm going to write outline. Let's change the font to center. Now we're gonna go effects and then outline here, but wait, I'm gonna show you something interesting, a strategy here that I use to make the outline look even better. So I'm gonna add here white, and of course now for this outline the color should be black, or at least that's what I prefer. Now let's create a copy, hold Alt and drag. Now this should be text dark, and without the outline you can only add to this text the shadow, and then just increase shadow but increase the blur. Make sure it's right in the middle, and transparency and blur. And now we're gonna have to send this back. So you can also send this back, and now we can move this. So we have this shadow, we have also the outline, and we also have the shadow. So we have the drop shadow and we also have the outline. I hope you found this helpful. Now I'm just gonna go now to position, and then here in layers I'm gonna hold the shift to select both and click on group. So now I can move around, so I can, if I click on one, it will select both because they're in a group. So now they're positioned in the center. Now we can add some texture. Let's zoom out. We can decrease the opacity. All right. Can add some align. Click on here. To select now, because I can't really select because of this, I'll just click on, or just go on layers again. Go on layers, much faster to select. And position, I need this. Something like this. And I'm just going to duplicate this, and this one should be dark. Use the arrows, shift to lock in. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful.